Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Sololearn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the settings section, click on the push notifications button. And as you can see, there are a lot of sections that you can receive notifications at, so just click on those that you're interested in, and just click on the white circle next to the topic that you want to get notifications on, and once they turned green, they are enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.